Please introduce yourself.
My name is David Harrison. I'm a linguist and a National Geographic explorer. Some people think a linguist is a person who speaks many languages. Actually, a linguist is a scientist who studies language. There are more than 7,000 languages spoken in the world, and I have personally explored more than 400 of them.
Many say that learning a language can teach you about the values and culture of its speakers. Can you give us an example?
A simple example from English is how we talk about people who are related to us. We have a word in English, uncle. I grew up using this word. I think I know what it means. But when I went to study other languages, I realized that the word uncle is actually completely inadequate for talking about human relations. Because when you say uncle, who are you talking about? Is it your mother's brother? Is it her elder brother or her younger brother? Is it perhaps your father's brother, elder or younger? Is it maybe the man who married your aunt? It could be any number of people. It could be on your mother's side of the family. It could be on your father's side of the family. He could be related to you by blood or related to you by marriage. In English, we collapse all of these important distinctions into a single word, uncle. Now, in Tuvan, the language of the nomads where I studied, they have a distinct word for each one of these positions on the family tree. And so you know immediately when you name that person who you're talking about. And that shows something about the value and importance they place on knowing exactly who's related to you, how are they related to you.
Many languages have 1 or 2 speakers left and will soon disappear. Why is this important?
There are 7,000 languages spoken in the world, and linguists, scientists, have only documented about 10% of the world's languages. So 90% of the world's languages have not yet been documented, and they contain an immense knowledge base about the natural world. Things about plants that are not known to science, animals, things about weather, climate, things that might help us understand climate change are known about in these indigenous languages that have not yet been studied or documented. The Inuit people who live in Alaska above the Arctic Circle, they have 99 terms to describe different formations of sea ice. And those terms include information about the shape, the color, the appearance of the ice, but also its usefulness. Can you walk on it? Can you hunt seals on it? Should you avoid it? So they have a sea ice taxonomy of at least 99 distinct terms. This surpasses what climate scientists and meteorologists know about the Arctic ice. And at the same time, we know that the Arctic ice is melting and disappearing. And so this incredible knowledge base about how to survive on the ice is being lost at the same time as we are losing the ice itself.
Proverbs or sayings are one way we learn about these things. In English, for example, we often say, "The early bird catches the worm." This means that you will be successful if you wake up early every morning. Can you give us examples of sayings or proverbs from other parts of the world?
The Chala people of Ghana say, "Don't insult the crocodile while you're crossing the river." In Samoa, they say, "A decision made in the evening is often changed in the morning." The Saha people of Siberia say, "Kihitil ok," which means a person's word is an arrow.
What message do you want to communicate to students around the world?
The message I would like to communicate is the value of language diversity. It's great to know a language, your native language, but it's truly a gift to be or become a bilingual person. It expands your mind. It opens doorways to other worlds that you never imagined.